Police seize hard disk of terror suspects. The police in Bangalore today at a press conference said that they have seized a computer hard disk belonging to an Indian suspected of ramming a jeep into the Glasgow airport in the failed terror attack.
Police have been able to seize a hard disk of high capacity along with some other materials that of Khalil Ahmed left behind in Bangalore when he travelled back to UK early in the month of May of 2007. The hard disk is being examined to ascertain the contents and the possible connection to the UK incidents and also regarding terrorist activities, if any, in India and elsewhere.
Rao said it was being investigated whether the suspects were involved in a 2005 attack on the prestigious Indian Institute of Sciences in the city.
We have been conducting investigation into our own case of Indian Institute of Science that has happened. So in that connection, we have been conducting investigation, inquiries about the recent incidents. So as a part of that investigation, as we found this disk, if it can be of any use for that investigation, we have seized it.
The police authorities denied reports that they had seized CDs containing material about the Islamist conflicts in Chechnya and Iraq from the suspect's home. Kafil, who studied engineering in India, suffered critical burns in the attack on Glasgow Airport in Scotland, where witnesses said he set both himself and the crashed jeep on fire. Sabir, a doctor, was arrested in Liverpool 8 days ago. A third Indian suspect, another doctor from Bangalore, was arrested in Australia and remains in detention. A total of 8 people have been arrested in the plot, either from the Middle East or India. 7 were arrested in Britain and 1 in Australia. Pragya with Nida for ANI.